Welcome to this special moment in your morning, a time dedicated entirely to your inner exploration and peace. As we begin, find a comfortable position where you feel supported and at ease. Gently close your eyes and allow yourself to arrive fully in this space. Take a deep, nourishing breath in, feeling the freshness of the morning air. As you exhale, release any lingering sleepiness or preoccupations, inviting your body and mind into a state of relaxation. With each breath, feel lighter, as though each exhale carries away tension, leaving behind only tranquility. Let's deepen our relaxation with mindfulness, focusing on our breath. Notice the air moving in and out of your nostrils, cool as you inhale, warm as you exhale. Imagine this breath as a gentle wave, washing over you, bringing relaxation to every part of your body. Start with your feet, feeling them become heavy and relaxed. This wave of relaxation moves slowly upwards, through your legs, soothing your calves, knees, and thighs. Feel it unwinding any tension in your hips, your abdomen, each breath bringing you deeper into relaxation. Now, let this wave move through your chest, your shoulders. Feel them dropping, free of weight. Your arms, hands, and fingers become loose, relaxed. Finally, this wave of relaxation flows through your neck, your face, softening each feature, until it reaches the crown of your head. You are now deeply relaxed, your body feeling as though it's floating, supported by a cloud of comfort. With our bodies at rest, we turn inwards to awaken the energy within. Imagine at your core is a light, a spark ready to expand. This light begins to pulse, sending out waves of vibration. These vibrations are subtle at first, like the fluttering of wings, felt at the tips of your fingers and toes. Allow these vibrations to grow, becoming more pronounced, as if every cell in your body is coming alive with energy. This energy is not just within you, it is you, a vibrational being ready to transcend the physical. Embrace this state, feeling the boundaries between your physical and astral selves begin to blur. In this vibrational state, focus on your astral body. It's a mirror of you, yet made of light and energy. Visualize it laying in harmony with your physical form. Now, with gentle intention, imagine your astral body beginning to lift, separating from the physical. It's a soft, effortless movement, like a leaf carried by a breeze. Feel yourself rising, your astral form free from the constraints of the physical world. As you float upwards, the room around you fades, and you enter a space of infinite possibility, the astral plane. Here, you are free to explore, to travel without limits. Your journey is guided by thought, desire, and curiosity. Explore this realm, feel its peace, its boundless nature. Remember, you are safe, always connected to your physical self by an unbreakable silver cord. Allow yourself to explore this astral landscape. Maybe you're drawn to visit distant lands, ancient sites, or celestial realms. Perhaps you wish to meet with guides or loved ones who have passed on. This time is yours, for exploration, for learning, for growth. Everything you experience here is meant for your highest good, providing insights, healing, and a deeper connection to the universe. As this journey reaches its natural completion, begin to feel a gentle pull, a loving call back to your physical form. Visualize your astral body slowly descending, aligning once more with your physical body. Feel the two forms merging seamlessly, reconnecting you with your physical senses. Take a deep grounding breath in, and as you exhale, feel fully present in your body, in this room, in this moment. Take a moment to express gratitude for this journey, for the insights and peace it has brought you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, gently move your body, feeling the energy of the morning infusing you with vitality. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, returning to the waking world refreshed, rejuvenated, and with a sense of profound peace. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day, knowing that you can return to this space of exploration and peace whenever you wish. Namaste.